Let's take a quick look at adjust pricing according to the item category. You can adjust pricing on the price list according to one or more categories in the category through a pricing adjustment metrics. Assume that you have a sales catalog, it contains a computer category, and the computer category contains 3 children, desktop, laptop, and printers. Each child category has sellable units in there, desktops, computers, and different printers. You can create a rule that adjusts the price for only items in a child category like desktops. You can also create a rule that adjusts price for all of the items in the parent category computers, such as desktops, laptops, and printers. Or you can exclude the printers if you need to. This will improve financial and pricing analytics. It will help you meet more complex pricing requirements, and it will improve decision-making that involve category pricing. You can set up the category hierarchy and assign items to the categories, run the refresh product hub snapshot process, use the product catalog pricing parameter to assign the catalog that you want to use with your rules, use the manage metric classes page to set up your pricing metrics, and you can create your pricing rules on the price list page. This feature is nearly identical to the applied discount according to the item category feature. For example, you can adjust prices on a price list according to the attribute where it's assigned to the category hierarchy. You can also exclude categories, reference categories, just like you can on the discount list. The main difference is do your setup on the price list instead of the discount list. You must use a new item category domain type when you create your condition on the manage metrics classes page. Set a comparison attribute to in hierarchy or not in hierarchy on your rule. Assign the catalog to the condition name so that the pricing administrative work area displays the relevant category when you set up your rule. You can use the pricing administration page to set things up. You can use file-based data import, REST API to manage your metrics rules or your metrics adjustment rules. If you have more than one metrics rule and it's eligible to apply the new pricing, then the pricing will look to the deepest category in the hierarchy when it does the pricing for the items. There are many job roles associated to this privilege. Most of the ones for pricing, you'll find them on the list. Please take time to watch the applied discount item category. There's a little more detail on that one and some examples. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Let's look at applying discounts according to an items category. Now you can set up a pricing metrics on discount price list that prices according to an attribute in a category. Assume you have a sales catalog and it contains a computers category, and the computers category contains 3 child categories, desktops, laptops, and printers. Each child contains items such as desktop computers, laptop computers, and printers. You can create a rule that applies a discount for items in the child desktop category. You can create a rule that applies a discount for all items that are in the parent computers category, such as all of the laptops, all of the desktops, and all of the printers. Or you can just exclude the printers if you want to. This will help you track your category discounts more efficiently, improve financial and pricing analysis, help meet more complex pricing requirements, and improve decision-making that involves category pricing. As an example, in the Product Information Management work area, or PIM, you can set up a category hierarchy and assign the ABC laptop item to the QP laptop category. Once you've done that, then you can run the refresh product hub snapshot schedule process to make sure that everything is where it needs to be. Then you can go into Setup and Maintenance work area, search for and open the Manage Pricing Parameters page, and then use the product catalog parameters to specify the product catalogs that you want pricing to use when it calculates each item's discount. Use the Manage Metrics class page to set up your pricing metrics for the QP sales catalog in the catalog hierarchy. Create a rule on your discount list. Use the category in condition that has been created. In this example, you can set it up so every item that is in the laptop category is eligible for a 15% discount. In the order management work area, if you create a sales order, add your item to an order line, then the rule of price or a price discount. Notice that the breakdown says attribute-based discount rule has been applied based on the category in QP underscore laptops in the hierarchy QP underscore laptops. You can set your rule up so it uses the parent catalog as a condition. For example, if the laptop category is a child category of the parent computers and accessories category, then you can % discount on ABC laptops item. In order management work area on the sales order, the rule applies the additional discount. Notice the breakdown adds the attribute discount rule applied because category QP laptops in the hierarchy of the computer and accessories. And finally, if you want to exclude a category, here's an example. Let's say you have a discount rule for the computers and accessories, and you need to exclude the printer category. You need to apply a 12% discount on the, but don't apply the discount on ABC printer item. Set up the category hierarchy and assign the item to the category. Run the refresh product hub snapshot schedule process. Use the product catalog pricing parameter to assign the catalog that you want to use for your rule, metrics, classes, page to set up your pricing metrics, and then create your rule and discount list. Use the new item domain type when you create your condition on the manage metrics page. Set the comparison attribute to not in hierarchy on your rule. Assign the catalog to the condition name so that the pricing administrator work area displays the relevant categories when you set up your rule. You can use the pricing administration's work area, file-based or REST API to manage your metrics adjustment rules. If one or more metrics rules is eligible to apply the discount, then the pricing will use the rule that has the deepest